Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosel, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. I am super excited. I got at least three awesome videos coming at y'all. And one of those videos is gonna change the way that people do mobile cooking. I literally think it's gonna be a game changer, but this ain't that video. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is we're downsizing some of my cooking utensils. As y'all know, I got 4 High Logics, 2 Big Easies, 3 George Foremans. The list is endless, and I got to get rid of some stuff. So I did inventory, and we're getting rid of the one item that I rarely use. So y'all stay tuned, stick around. This is going to be an interesting little video. Alright fam, can you guess what's behind Kitty Swimming Pool #1? Alright, I'm going to wait till toward the end of the video to reveal what I'm getting rid of. But we're going to, along the way, I'm going to give y'all some hints or some clues of what we're going to get rid of. Now, to answer a couple of questions. First of all, the why. First and foremost, this thing is way too bulky for me. I don't like big, cumbersome items because y'all know I'm lazy, and all my cooking videos are mainly about trying to be quick and efficient. And this is an item that's just, it doesn't fit the bill. Second of all, I don't take proper care of it. My storage building has been attacked by termites, so I'm not using it right now. I got to make a determination whether to repair it, destroy it, or buy another storage building. So that thing sits outside. It's covered, but like I said, I don't take proper care of it, and it's not fair to myself or the component or to y'all, because I've only used this thing in 2 different videos, and they were brief videos, and I just never really used it. The next reason is, and probably the most important reason, Tanya and I are going to be doing more overlanding videos. So y'all going to see me doing a lot of cooking using the Hot Logic, using my Coleman stove. We may even take the Big Easy with us from time to time. But this component, it won't be going with us once again because of its size. And thirdly, when I sell it, I'm going to sell it, and no, that's right, I'm not giving it away. I'm going to sell it, and it's only going to bring me a few bucks, but I can use that to put back in the channel and invest that into getting y'all some more awesome videos. So that is the why we're getting rid of it. All right, next is going to be the when and the how. We're going to get rid of it as soon as possible. And the how, we're going to list that on all the local selling sources. Facebook, we're going to list it in our local Thrifty Nickel, which is a local little paper where we sell things. And I'm going to do all the social media stuff to get rid of it, because I think it's going to make somebody a really good cooking component. It just doesn't fit my needs. So probably as soon, today is Sunday, and I'll probably be posting this tomorrow. As soon as this thing I post my YouTube video, I'll probably go right about my business posting this on Facebook. What do they call that? I'll think of it in a minute. But I'm going to post that on Facebook and all my local sites, social media sites, and hopefully I can get this thing a really good home here in the next week or so, because next weekend me and Tanya are planning on going camping, and I would like to have that thing gone before we leave next weekend. Alright fam, it's getting ready to rain here in Lake Charles, Louisiana. It looks like it's overcast. It already rained one time today. Surprise. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. I hope that y'all, I should have said this earlier in the video, I hope that y'all are putting in the comment sections what you think this component is. If y'all have been with the channel for a while, you remember all my cooking components. I've mentioned everything in the video that I'm going to keep. I mentioned the Big Easy, I mentioned the Hot Logics, I mentioned the George Foreman. But the one component that I did not mention, and it's the one that I'm getting rid of, is my ugly smoker. All right, for all you old timers, you probably, if you've been with me since the start of my the This&Dat channel, y'all are familiar with this thing. And you can see, I didn't clean it up or anything. I wanted y'all to see it in its natural state. It's been sitting outside, and I keep the cover on it, and it's not really wet on the inside. I even bought a grill grate for it, so, and that goes with it. I'm gonna sell a grill grate with it. That's the perfect size, so you can use this thing to barbecue in. There's not a lot of clearance, so you could drill some more holes and drop those 2 pieces of rebar down and make it a grill. What is that? Oh, thought that was Fitzgerald coming out to join us. And make this thing a grill, or you could use it for what it was intended for, to smoke meat. So that's what we're getting rid of. We're getting rid of the ugly smoker. But like I said, I haven't been taking proper care of this thing. It's bulky. It is a 30-gallon container, and I can't take it with me. It's not portable, it's not mobile, and it's not going to fit me and Tanya's needs, because we're going to be doing a lot of traveling here in the upcoming weeks, months, and hopefully for the rest of our lives. We're going to be some weekend warriors. So that's the first thing I'm getting rid of. I do have my eye on 1 or 2 more components that I'm going to get rid of, but for today, this is the one. So she'll be posting all our local stuff. I would offer it to y'all here on YouTube, some of my subscribers, but if you don't live here in the local area, this thing would be hard to ship. And I'm selling it for a really good price, but it's going to be really hard to ship. So I'm probably going to have to just keep this thing local within the next 25, 30-mile radius, whomever's willing to come pick it up. So that's what we're getting rid of, the big, ugly smoker. And that's the name of it. I didn't call it that. And for those of you who are new to the channel, you can go back. I think I've got 2 videos of this thing where I smoked a brisket, and I think I cooked some sausage and chicken in this thing once. Does a great job. Now, here's the question I have for y'all. My friend built this thing for me, and he has his own YouTube channel as well. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. But he built it for me, and he sold it to me. He didn't give it to me, he didn't gift it to me. He sold it to me, but at a really good price. My question to y'all is, and this is a serious, sincere question. Since my friend built this for me, sold it to me, but at a really good friend and family price, should I inform him that I'm getting rid of it before I get rid of it? And maybe give him an opportunity. Maybe he wants it back. Maybe he can sell it to somebody else. So please, in the description, in the comment section, leave me a comment and let me know if you, the subscriber, or you, the viewer, thinks that I should notify the guy who built this smoker for me that I'm thinking about getting rid of it, that I am getting rid of it. And maybe he might want it back, or maybe he might know someone who wants one, and maybe he can pass that on to them, and we can do the transaction, 2-way or 3-way transaction. So please, in the comment section, let me know if I should inform him I'm getting rid of this thing. All right, fam, that's the video for today. That's all we got. So as usual, if you like this video, give her a thumbs up. If you don't, give her a thumbs down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, This&Dat, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosel. Y'all have a great day, a great week, and a great rest of this 2020. Peace.